Hey guys, what we're going to do today with this cupboard is my wife wants it turned into drawers. So
yeah, I do.
We can do that two different ways. We could do hidden drawers where they're built inside and then you can close the doors to cover them up. But in this case, what we're going to do, because the lower part of the cabinet is 24 inches by 24 inches, we're going to take the doors off and we're going to use them as drawer faces. Also gets a little bit of more room in the drawer because of the width of the hinges on the doors. So we'll get it cleaned out, get the doors off, cut up some pieces, and then see what we can do.
Because I think for the spice rack we can do like one tall, like one drawer and just build it up tall.
There's two sides.
Yeah.
It's a spice rack. Two more for the other one. I can't. We'll wait on the one with the divider and see if I can make something work.
Okay. You're such a problem solver.
Okay guys, got my cupboard cleaned out, got some pieces cut. What I did, the inside of the cabinet is 23 3/4. So I cut the drawer width 21 3/4 because my sliders take up an inch. And then the depth is 23 1/2. I cut mine at 23, just to make sure there's no interference. Gonna be super simple. That'll be the bottom of the drawer. I cut 4-inch tall sides, two sides, and a front and a back. All I'm gonna do, flip it over, pre-drill it. Always pre-drill melamine because it likes to splinter. Front and so on. drawer side, Kate and Bot. Come with your own screws. Pretty nice, soft close. They screw through the back. Mount the bottom, set right on the bottom of the cabinet first. And the second one we're gonna mount probably right in the middle. This one we're gonna do them both the same, both 4 inches deep. Drawer faces are both 12 inches, so we'll make them both the same. Yeah, try and get these mounted and see how they look. All done. Went pretty well. Worked pretty nice. Just wood filled the old holes. I'll just have to scuff them up and paint them once they're dry. Again, if you don't have a cabinet that's square, you can still do it hidden with doors. Just your drawers will wind up a little smaller. They work pretty good. Looks pretty nice. Just gotta clean up the mess and reload the drawers.
If you have any questions on how to do this for your own kitchen, feel free to comment and he will answer, because I am useless in that department. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. We have a lot more renovations to come.